Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we are going to start page number 50. So on page number 50, today our topic is common factors and HCF. HCF means highest common factors. In this page, question number 1 is answers in your notebook. Is 11 the factor of 24? Mean what is the factor? When a number is divided by one and another numbers and their remainder is 0, it means it is factor of that number. How? Question 1. A is 12 a factor of 36? A. We have to check divide. If the remainder is 0, it means it is a factor, and if there is no 0, mean it is not a factor. So is 12 a factor of 36? So you have to check this here. 36 divided by 12, and I hope you have learned the tables. 12 1 is 12, 12 2 is 24, 12 3 is 36, 12 3 is 36. 6 minus 6 will be 0, 3 minus 3 will be 0, means the remainder is 0, it means 12 is the factor of 36, means yes. Your answer is yes. B. Is 7 a factor of 45? So you have to again check 45 divided by 7. 7 to 7, 7 to the 14, 7 to the 21, 7 4 to 28, 7 5 to 35, 7 6 to 42, 7 7 to 49. 49 is greater than this one, so you say 7 6 are 42. 5 minus 2, 3, 0, and there is a remainder. When there is a remainder, you say that it's a not factor. No. Okay. C. Is 6 a factor of 66? You can check here. 6 1 is 6, 6 1 is 6, 0 0. Mean there is no remainder, mean yes, 6 is the factor of 66. Is 20 a factor of 100? 100 divided by 20. So 21 is 20, 22 is 40, 23 is 60, 24 is 80, 25 is 100. Mean there is no remainder. Yes, 20 is the factor of 100. Yes. E. Is 16 a factor of 64? 64 divided by 16. 16 1 is 16, 16 2 is 32, 16 3 is 48, 16 4 is 64. 16 4 is 64. 0 0. There is no remainder. So 16 is a factor of 64. Yes. Okay, dear students, you have just checked if there is no remainder, 0 remainder, mean yes, it is a factor of that number. Okay. Next, question number 2. Question 2 is write down the factors of these numbers. How many factors does each number have? So A first 25. How many factors 25 has? mean vegetables goals are 25. 1. Dear students, you have to keep in mind that 1 is a factor of every number. 1 is a factor of every number, and every number is a multiple of 1. Okay? Next, vegetables go 5 and 25. This is your answer. 125 is 25, 5 is 25. There is no other table. B. 36. Vegetables goes on 36. Once always write 1, 2, 3 12s, 4 9s, 36. 6 6 36. 7 8 9 10. 9 4 36. 12 3 36. And 18 2 36. And 8 36 1 36. These are the tables which are goes on 36. C. 54. 54. 154 is a 54. 2 27 is a 54. 3 18 is a 54. 6 9 is a 54. 9 6 is a 54. 18 3 is a 54. 27 is a 54. 27 2 is a 54. And itself 54 1 is a 54. Okay, these are the factors of these numbers. Okay, dear students, part D, E and F you will do by yourself. Okay? I did part A, B, C, and you will do by yourself D, E, F. Next, question number 3. Write the factors of these pairs of numbers and underline the common factor. Same question. Question 3, same. Write the factors of these numbers. Here are two numbers, 12 and 15. 12 and 15. You have to write factors of these numbers. 1 is always 1 12s are 12, 2 6 are 12, 3 4s are 12, 4 3s are 12, 6 2s are 12, and 12 1s are 12. Next one is 15. 1 15 is 15, 3 5s are 15, 5 3s are 15, and 15 1s are 15. Here you can see which one is common. You have to underline a circle. First of all, 1 1, 3 3. Okay? These are the common factors. Common factors. Here in the question he said that just underline the common factors. Okay, dear students. Next, question B. Question B is 25 and 15. 25 and 15. Again you have to write the common factors. 25. 125 is 25. 5 5 is 25. and there is another table 25 on the 25. Now you have 15, 1 15 the 15, 3 5 the 15, 5 3 the 15, and 15 1 the 15. And which one comes? You have just underline this 5 and 5. Just to have underline. Okay? I will question A and B, and you will do C and D by yourself. Now, last question, question number 4 is question 4. Here you can see that find the HCF of the following: highest common factor. Okay? You have to find highest common factor, 32 and 24. 32 and 24. So you have to write factors of 32. Vegetables goes on 32. 132 the 32. 216 the 32. 48 the 32. 84 the 32. And 16 to the 32. And last 32 1 the 32. And same we have tried factors of 24. 124 the 24, 2 12 the 24, 3 8 the 24, 4 6 the 24, 6 4 the 24, 8 3 the 24, 12 2 the 24, and 24 1 the 24. Now you have to underline or circle the common. This one, this one, this one, this one. So common factors. Common factors is equal to 1, 2, 4 and 8. And which one is highest? Highest, this one. Highest or greatest? HCF. Highest common factor is 8. And this is the answer. Okay, dear students. Next, you have 50 and 25. B 50 and 25. So you have to write the factors of 50. 150 the 50, 225 the 50, 5 10 the 50, 10 5 the 50, 25 to the 50, and 51 the 50. Okay, and next number is 25. 125 the 25, 5 5 the 25, and 25 1 the 25. These are the factors of 50, and these are the 25. Now you have to write or do the common factor. This one is common, this 5 is also common, and this 25 is also common. Okay? Common factors CF 1, 5 and 25. And which one is highest common factor? This one. HCF is equal to 25. Okay, dear students, I did also two parts here, A and B, and C and D will be your homework. And page number 50 finished. Now I am giving you homework. Your homework. Question 2, part A, B, C I did, and D, E have your homework. Question 2, D, E and F. Next question 3 is, I did two parts A and B, C, D is your homework. Question 3, part C and D your homework. And question 4 is, I did two parts A and B, C, D is your homework. C and D your homework. Okay, dear students, I hope you have understand this question, and if you have problem, you can ask your teacher. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.